Welcome to YOUCANIC. Here we have a 2010 Mercedes S400. I'm going to show you how to put these vehicles in neutral. So in case you need to load this up on a truck or roll this off a truck or just push it around, keep in mind though, once you put it in neutral, the car is going to roll. You can press the brakes, but the brakes are not going to be that effective. So keep that in mind. Make sure you block the wheels if the vehicle is parked on an incline. This vehicle then is going to roll off and cause injury, accidents. So to get the car in neutral, what you do is you come here, you remove this cover that says hybrid, put that off to the side. Then you have this small cover here. All right, so here is your positive terminal. Okay, connect the positive there. And right here is your ground. You're gonna see sparks there. That's normal. All right, so now the car is powered up. So let's go inside the vehicle. So we're inside the vehicle. If you got a push start button, what you can do is pull this off. You just grab it and pull it off, and then press the brakes really hard. Okay, I'm pressing the brakes hard. I would turn the ignition. Okay. Now you can see that's in park right there. You can go up. Right now, door open, vehicle not in park. Toggle it down just a little bit. Now we're in neutral. Keep in mind you gotta release the parking brakes, because most likely your parking brake is gonna be on too. So this vehicle right now can be pushed. If I take my foot off the brake and the vehicle is on an incline, it's gonna roll. So keep that in mind. Remember also that if you lose power, and most likely if your main battery is dead, there's a high chance the small auxiliary battery that's right in here that automatically makes the transmission go in park, that could be dead as well. So you won't be able, the vehicle might stay in neutral once the power is cut off. So keep that in mind, because you don't want to just leave the vehicle in neutral in a incline or park somewhere without even realizing. So be careful, keep that in mind, and thank you for watching.